channel. Let's learn together.
A Bible story. Once upon a time there lived a kind man named Noah, who liked to help everyone, even the smallest animals around. But all the other people were fighting between themselves and kindness was forgotten. One day, God told Noah, "People forgot how to be kind to each other. I will send a flood to start over. I want you to build an ark large enough to fit a male and a female from each animal on earth." Noah listened and obeyed even though his heart was sad. He started to cut the trees for wood. His 3 sons helped him to cut the trees and make wood for the ark. Noah made sure he has all the wood to build a huge ark. He and his sons worked day and night to finish the large boat, using all the wood from the trees they cut from the forest. At last, the ark was ready. It was very large and tall. It had many levels and many rooms on each level, enough to host all the animals and his family too. Noah asked God, "How am I supposed to gather all the animals from the whole world?" God answered, "I will send them to you. Be ready to direct them to their places inside the ark." And soon all kind of animals started to come. There were elephants and giraffes, birds and turtles, bears and raccoons, lions and rhinos, sheep and rabbits, cows and even butterflies. There were all the animals on earth. They all boarded the ark and started to sail on the vast blue ocean. The weather was good and no sign on any type of storm approaching. But right then, suddenly, it started to rain and huge black clouds covered the sky. Noah sent all the animals to their places inside the ark. The storm came with big waves and lots of rain. It became even bigger and the water rose up until there was nothing left around beside the ocean. Finally, after 40 days and 40 nights, the storm stopped and the ocean was quiet again and the sky blue. Noah sent a dove to find land so they can come out of the ark. After a while, the dove came back with an olive branch in its beak, meaning the land was close. Soon, the ark landed on top of a mountain. Everyone was happy to get out of the ark, the animals, Noah and his family too. While everyone was getting back on land, the sun came out shining. A rainbow formed over the ocean and the land. God told Noah, "The rainbow is my promise that the earth will not be flooded again." And everyone was happy.
Thank you for watching. Come back again.